What do you need to start a business? A great idea, lots of drive and plenty of cash in the bank. Right? Wrong. Sure, the idea and the work ethic are vital, but you don't always need access to unlimited funds. Today's 7 hacks will show you what business you can start with little or no funds in the bank. So what are you waiting for? Get your big girl or big boy pants on, get out there and start your own venture. 1. Service. Barking mad for animals? Become a dog walker or pet sitter. With an estimated 8.9 million dogs in the UK, it's a rapidly growing industry. Want to work with kids? Try a babysitting service. Just make sure you have the necessary insurance. 2. Think crafty. People love unique mementos for their home. Frames with names, family trees, or art marking a special occasion just require the cost of materials to set up. Start small, set up a Facebook page, and get clients to recommend you on social media. As you grow, you can look to sell on eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. 3. Content provider. Do you have a way with words? Copywriter, editors, proofreaders, and photographers can all use sites like People Per Hour to advertise. If you are talented and willing to put the hours in, you can be a success, and every day can bring a new challenge. You might be writing web and social media copy, CVs, business plans, or thinking up ad slogans. 4. Skills. Turn a hobby into a business. Are you doing jobs around the house? Become a handyman. People are so busy these days, and tradespeople like joiners and gardeners are worth their weight in gold. Again, use social media to promote yourself with recommendations. It's the modern form of word of mouth advertising, and the only upfront cost will be your tools, which I'm willing to bet you already own. 5. Gig economy. Work for yourself under the umbrella of a much bigger company. If you have the drive to succeed, you could work for Uber, delivering a new outlook on your career. Become a courier. Keen to work from home? Rent out your spare room on Airbnb. The opportunities are out there if you know where to look. 6. Sell. Be ruthless. Clear everything you no longer need out and stick it on eBay or Gumtree. It might not give you a lot of money, but it's enough for you to buy more stock. Use your unwanted goods to raise capital for your new selling business, choose your products and then sell them for a profit. The downside is that as you get more successful, you may need premises, but your turnover will allow you to do this. 7. Virtual assistant PA. Are you super organised with excellent time management skills and happy to have the responsibility of working on your own? Then you can become a virtual PA. You'll book meetings, reply to emails, organise calendars, all the things a PA would be expected to do, but you'll be doing it from the comfort of your own living room. Let me know if I have inspired you to give it a go. I love getting feedback. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.